If a customer slipped in your store tomorrow and broke their hip, do you know what your business would owe legally? Most owners don't. That uncertainty is exactly what public liability insurance resolves. It is foundational risk management for any business with physical premises or public-facing operations. Your business is likely more exposed than you think. A single customer injury can easily drain months of profit. With the Consumer Protection Act making claims easier and faster to file, out-of-pocket settlements are a risk no modern business should take. Look at the numbers. Awards for serious bodily injury often exceed 50 lakh rupees, yet only 8% of Indian SMEs currently carry this essential coverage. Protecting your business from these high-stakes financial impacts is a priority. Bodily injury coverage is for third parties, not your employees. It covers medical bills, rehabilitation, and court-awarded compensation if a visitor is hurt on your premises. Remember, employees are covered separately under the Mandatory Workmen's Compensation Act. Next, let's discuss property damage coverage. This pays when your operations damage someone else's property, like a customer's car or a neighbor's wall. Note that this is distinct from your own fire and burglary insurance. You need both to be fully protected. Understanding your risk category is crucial. Industrial risks, like factories, face higher hazards and require specialist underwriting. Non-industrial businesses, like cafes or gyms, focus more on managing high footfall risks. Premiums and policy structures will vary significantly between these two. Never overlook your legal defense costs. These can be astronomical as cases drag on for years. Always check if your policy covers these costs as an additional limit, separate from the main payout pool. This is often the difference between adequate protection and a shortfall. Consider this mall fire case study. Medical claims, property damage to tenants, and legal fees totaled over 4 crore rupees. Because the mall had comprehensive liability insurance, they paid zero beyond their policy deductible. That is the power of proper risk transfer. Let's bust some myths. Many think they are too small to be sued or that property insurance covers liability. Both are dangerous misconceptions. Every public-facing business needs dedicated liability coverage to protect its future against legal challenges. Follow these 6 steps to get the right cover. Assess your risks, calculate an appropriate limit, check your defense cost clause, review exclusions, clarify employee coverage, and review it all annually as your business grows. Looking ahead, the landscape is evolving. We are seeing AI-powered risk assessments and faster digital court resolutions. Mandatory cover for high footfall venues is also being debated. Staying informed means staying prepared for a more litigious future. Take action this month. Check your existing policies, document your specific risk factors, and get 3 quotes. Clarify that defense cost clause with your broker, and set an annual reminder to review your coverage. Your business is worth the preparation. To recap our big 5 points, bodily injury covers third parties. Property damage liability is separate from asset insurance. Industry type changes your rating. Defense costs are vital, and one claim can indeed threaten an unprotected business. Protect the business you have built. Remember, liability isn't about proving fault. It is about preparedness for the unexpected. Use the glossary provided here to guide your conversations with insurers and ensure you have the coverage that fits your reality.